Hey, this is Jeff with JT's Carpet Cleaning. Today, myself and my tech John are a duplex in Wyandotte County. The landlord was considering replacing his carpet for a couple of reasons. One main reason is it has quite a few wrinkles from the poor installation, which is the trip hazard. So we're going to stretch that out, fix it, and then we're going to come back and steam clean all the carpet. We're going to walk through here and we're going to show you what the carpet looks like now. We're going to stop and come back and show you the finished product. So kind of follow me, I'll point out. In this room here we got several wrinkles. It didn't get wet or anything like that. It was poor installation. It wasn't stretched with the power stretcher probably when it was installed. The carpet's a FHA 26 ounce cut pile, which means it doesn't last long. It has to be kept tight or it wears faster. We got some issues over there by the bathroom entryway. We're going to stretch that to the gripper bar, get those wrinkles out of there, and tack that back down. Coming out here in the hallway, we got wrinkles that come here from the hallway going completely out to the front door. We're going to stretch it in two sections, this direction and that direction towards the window. And the wrinkles come all the way out to here by the threshold to the kitchen. We're going to fix that after the wrinkles are taken out. Then we're going to steam clean. We'll come back and show you the finished product after we get done cleaning it. Hey, this is Jeff with JT's Carpet Cleaning. We're back here at this duplex we did the stretch and the cleaning for. They were considering replacing the carpet. It was a trip hazard with the wrinkles from poor installation. We got everything out. We trimmed about 1.5 inches, 2 inches off some of the walls when we stretched it towards them. Retacked it, went out to the living room, did the same thing. We're going to walk through and show you exactly what we filmed before so you can kind of see. So go ahead and follow me. You can see the wrinkles are gone. Any lines you can see are creases on the back of the carpet called the jute. Just like if you have a wrinkle in your shirt, until you iron it out, it's going to still show a wrinkle even though it's tight and flush. This is thicker material, so the wrinkle is going to take longer to come out completely. It's been steamed. We come in here. This here looks like it's still loose. You can see my foot go over it. There's no hump. It's a crease from the back. It has to relax over time. It's been steamed. You can come on here. There was one here. You can look at the other video, compare it. Coming through this way. And come on down. There's a wrinkle right here. It's a crease. It's completely flat. It gives the illusion that's a hump. It's a crease from the back. It'll go away with time. Come in here and you can see the difference. And you kind of get a shot of coming down going down the hallway from the bedroom, the difference it looks. The trip hazards are gone. It's clean. And they can continue to live here. Because of what we did, the tenant agreed to sign another 12-month lease for the landlord. So if you landlords out there that maybe want to give incentive to the tenants, instead of replacing the carpet, call us and we'll fix it up for you. That way you can get another year's lease and everybody's happy.